Taiwanese popcorn chicken. Delicious little bites that are super addictive and can be done under 30 minutes. Let's get to it. Now right here we got some salt and pepper, we got some soy sauce, we have some cooking wine, garlic, ginger, some 5-spice, white pepper. Now we need about 3 to 4 chicken breasts. The other thing we need is tapioca starch or sweet potato starch. This is what's gonna make it super crispy. Put the chicken in a bowl and let's start marinating this chicken. White pepper, cooking wine, soy sauce, salt and pepper, ginger and garlic, and 5-spice. Let it sit for about half an hour. Oil for frying. 350 degrees. Now that our chicken's ready, let's make some spicy mayo sauce. Mayonnaise. Spriacha. Now that we're done, it's time for the taste test. It's so crunchy and it's so moist on this side. Very flavorful. And this dip, no. If you like spicy, this is it. Creamy and spicy, that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna take another bite of this, and until next time, see you next week.